Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I would give you guys a heads up of what's going on and what's been happening. I have not been able to actually get some stuff recorded because my old camera was actually having some issues, and I was trying to record with my phone and some other issues happened, and I just said screw it. I can't get some of the videos that I actually recently recorded this last winter due to some issues with the camera, so I do apologize. But this is basically what I've done and give you kind of an idea of everything that's been finished. And from there, we just have a few more things to do, and we're going to start fixing the floor and start putting beadboard on. So here we go. see what I've done so far. I'm gonna have to fix that a little bit, try to figure out what I want to do there. But then I have to frame, put some supports in there. I think what I'm gonna do is also put the support like this, so it's a little heavier. I'm just debating on if I want to do it that way or not. Because if I do it that way, it's gonna make a big mess for a bed. Because then you have this spot where you can have actual bed, but I'm wondering if that would work best. So we'll determine what we want to do next. Yeah, hopefully that'll actually work out pretty well. I just need to figure out what I'm going to do with that stupid thing. I might have to just see if I can cut it a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. But overall, it's actually pretty good. It does need a little bit of movement and stuff just because this trailer's old. You know, if I took off all the skin and actually started it from fresh and not have to worry about, you know, the framing or whatever else, it would have been a lot better. I would have just been able to just take off all the skin and then just frame it, and then it would have been all level, which is downside because I'm like 1/8 to 1/4 inch off on a lot of other places when it comes to the roof pieces and also the bottom. So it's not horrible, but at least, you know, it's a trailer, obviously. So, but it looks like we're getting there. So far, I thought I would show you guys this. I've been able to actually put this on, this last piece over here. I just put a piece of wood back there, put a whole bunch of caulking on it, sealed it up. I'm gonna actually sand all this down so it'll be a little bit better on that. But all this is sealed. Everything's caulked. And so the only thing I need to do now is drill a hole for my power connection, and then we're good on that piece. That's where the fridge is going to go, so the fridge vents, that's going to be open for the fridge piece. The other vent for the air vent in above the stove, the heater, and then the water heater. So it's coming along. It's taking a long time, obviously, you know, but I'm doing a pretty good job. I feel pretty confident. Oh, I also got these rails on the trailer. It's not normally supposed to be like this. I didn't want to flip it on the other side because I have to put more wood in between all the roof rafters. So I decided to do it this way, and it's actually holding a lot better. This side, I think I need to unscrew a couple of those and see if I can push down somehow, because it is kind of sitting up a little bit, but I'm not too worried because as long as I get because what I'm going to do is put my J-rail just right underneath it. So when the water drips off, it hits the J-rail because there's going to be that rubber grommet above that. So I think that's going to help a lot. But and then I'm going to put it down on the edge. I'm planning on putting my tape across the edge just enough to make it so it covers, and then that way when I put that corner molding all the way down, it'll all be sealed up, so it's going to be nice there. So it turns out pretty good. I just need to get the wiring done, which I think I'm going to work on that next time. Get a roof light right there, somehow fix the door. I can't figure out how I'm going to do this door because it's like sitting out too high. I've already fixed the framing of the door, but for some odd reason it just does not want to work. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click subscribe, and we post videos every week. So join us next time.